This file extension has two primary types. Is this a Domino temporary file, IBM, or a database? Usually, it is a temp file that can be safely deleted if the application is closed. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's verify. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful DTF file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. A DTF file is associated with Lotus Domino and database applications. It stores data related to the Domino environment, potentially including database schemas, data entries, and configuration settings. These files are crucial for maintaining the integrity and functionality of applications built on the Lotus Domino platform, ensuring efficient data storage and retrieval. DTF files are structured according to the specifications of the Lotus Domino database system. They may contain index data for rapid searching and retrieval, as well as metadata describing the structure and relationships within the database. The internal format is proprietary to Lotus Domino, requiring specific software for proper interpretation and manipulation. The DTF file originated with and is formally handled by Lotus Domino, developed by IBM. The basic data is there, but Windows cannot process the specific formatting tags required. Windows may show the file's presence but not its meaning, requiring specialized software for access. To open this specific DTF file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Lotus Domino is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Testing is the only way to be sure. If you still can't open the DTF file, it's okay. We've isolated the failure to one of three common causes. Here's a concise breakdown of the most likely culprits and the specific action required to check them. First, use Lotus Domino. Open the file using IBM Lotus Domino or Notes Client, the required application for the database. Next, check version. Ensure your Domino Notes version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, check corruption. Use the Domino server's fixup command to repair the database structure. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.